we'll talk about plotting complex numbers on the Argand diagram. So before plotting complex numbers on the Argand diagram, you should understand how to draw the Argand diagram. So the Argand diagram consists of what we call the imaginary axis and the real axis. So this axis is labeled as R of Z. This is where real numbers are attached. This axis is called the imaginary axis of Z. We can calibrate this axis here and say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This axis here for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the negatives, we have -1 here, -2, -3, -4. Here we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So let's quickly take an example for you to really see how to plot complex numbers. So let's say we have Z is equal to 1 plus 2i. The complex number here is 1 plus 2i. If I'm to plot this on this diagram, 1 in the real side is here. So this is what I have. And then the imaginary part is 2. So the intersection point is somewhere around here. What I need to do is to draw a straight line from the intersection point to from the origin to my intersection points. So this is how to plot this complex number on display. Another example could be say something like Z is equal to 4 minus 4i. 4 minus 4i. On the real axis, 4 is giving us this point, and then minus 4i is giving us this point. So the intersection point happens somewhere here. So we put our dots and then we plot it from the origin to that point. So this is how to plot this complex number on the Argand diagram. For the last example, let's say we have Z is equal to 5 plus 4i. 5 plus 4i. On the real axis, our 5 should be around here. On the imaginary axis, our 4 is around here. So the intersection points should happen around this point. Then put our dots. So from the origin to that point. So this is the complex number for Z is equal to 5 plus 4i. Well, this is the complex number for Z is equal to 4 minus 4i. While this is the complex number for Z is equal to 1 plus 2i. So that's how to plot the complex number on an Argand diagram. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. Thanks again.